Okay, so this video will be the explanation for the solution of the revision question of final exam. Okay, so the first question is related to optimization. So a manufacturer produced a vitamin tablet in shape of solid circular cylinder. Okay, they mentioned here is a cylinder with a base radius x. So by right, radius is equal to x and the height is equal to h. And then the volume of each tablet must be equal to 72. So by right, we know here V is equal to 72. So the first question is that they ask us to express H in the term of X. So now we have a circular cylinder. So from here, we know that the volume of cylinder is equal to V pi R square H. And then V is equal to 72. Pi is a constant. R here, which is our radius, we have to change it to X. So X square. H is our height, which we represent using H. Okay. And then now they want us to express H in the term of X. So we just have to move until we get the variable H. No? So you move pi X square to the left side. So you're going to get 72 pi X square equal to H. So this is your H right now. So settle for the first question. Now, the next question they said, show that the surface area of the tablet is equal to 2 pi x square plus 144 over x. So now, it is related to the surface area of the cylinder. So, we have formula for surface area of cylinder, which is equal to A equal to 2 pi r square plus with 2 pi rh. And then here we have r radius, which is equal to our x just now, and then plus with 2 pi. R is our x and h we already got it here, which is multiply with 72 divided with pi x square. Okay, now what you have to do is you have just to cross law. If you see, we have 1x here, 1x here, 1 pi and then pi. Okay, so from here you're gonna get area equal to 2 pi x square plus with 2 multiply 72, you're gonna get 144 divide with x, which is similar with the one that they asked us to show here. So you can put shown like this. Okay, now the next question is that they ask us to use the calculus to find the value of x that minimize the surface area. So since they ask us to find the value of x that minimize, so when they mention the word minimize, we have to remember that we have to let, because this is surface area, right, we have to differentiate dA with the respect of x, because we want to find the value of x, right, and let it become 0. So I go to this one. So our area, I copy first, yeah, is equal to 2 pi x square plus with 144 divide with x. So we have this one, and then by right what we have to do is we have to let dA dx differentiate a with the respect of x equal to 0. So we have to differentiate a first. So easier for you to differentiate. You move x on the second term, become negative to the power of negative 1. So you differentiate a, then you're gonna get 2 pi, and then you bring 2 here in front, then you're gonna get 2 pi multiply 2x to the power of 1, and then we have 144 multiply with negative 1 because we bring the power in front, and then x to the power of negative 1 minus 1. So here you're gonna get 4 pi x minus 144 x to the power of negative 2, and then here you're gonna get 4 pi x minus with 144 divided with x square. So this is your dA dx. And in order for us to find the value of x, we have to let dA dx equal to 0. So 4 pi x minus 144 divided with x squared equal to 0. Then you can bring negative 144 over x squared to the right side. So you will get 4 pi x equal to 144 divided with x squared. Now from here, because we want to find the value of x, right? So x squared you move to the left side, 4 pi you move to the right side. So here you're going to get x to the power of 3, 144 divided with 4 over 4 pi. And then here, because we have x to the power of 3, right? In order for us to find the value of x, then you cube root both sides. Then x is equal to 2.255. So this is the value of x. Now you get the value, find the value of x that minimize the surface area. So that is the value of x. Okay, then the next one is they want us to show that the surface area is minimum. Okay, now they ask us to show that the surface area is minimum. Now, by right, we have to find first the surface area when x is equal to 2.255. Okay, so question 4. So by right, the area that we have when x is equal to 2.255, your area is equal to 2 pi multiply with 2.255 square plus with 144 divide with x, which is 2.255. So you calculate this one, you're going to get 95.81. So this is area. Okay, now since we want to know, the question is that we want to show that the surface area is minimum. So in order for us to show whether it is minimum or not, we have to differentiate area twice. So we already got dA dx. Now you differentiate one more, then you're gonna get 4 pi minus with 144 minus negative 2x to the power of negative 2 minus 1. So here you're going to get 4 pi minus with plus with 288 divided with x to the power of 3, because you can bring the x to the power of negative 3 become a fraction. Okay, now from here what you have to do is substitute. Okay, x is equal to 2.255 into the second derivative. Okay, then you substitute inside 4 pi plus with 288 divided with 2.255 cube. Then you're gonna get answer equal to 37.68, which we get is greater than 0. So since with the value of second derivative after we substitute x equal to 2.255 is greater than 0, then it shows that the area that we got, it is minimum. So that's it for question 1. Thank you.